but she was acting like such a bitch. Oh God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. It doesn't hold any weight because I'm actually a vegetarian. You see, I'm sorry. You know what? I just lied to you. I'm not a vegetarian. See, oh my God, that's why I'm here right now. I'm a piece of shit. Ha ha. Yo, that shit is tight. We gotta get one of those, yo. We got that in our budget. I don't care. We're purchasing that shit soon. That shit is dope. Teleporting refrigerator? Who the fuck thinks about shit like this? Okay, I'm sorry. What's good, everybody? This is your boy Rex. I am the guest host on the show, that cooking show. But when I'm on, it's Chef McKenny on the block. Vaze still ain't back. We starting to get a little worried. This nigga said he was gonna get some bread. If you see this number, please call. Vaze, where the fuck are you at? Come on, son, it's just bread, son. Where you been at, fam? Anyway, today we are cooking some Honey Sriracha chicken wings. Let's go. So I got some special type of ingredients, some things that I kind of switch it up with every now and then. So what we're gonna need is we're gonna need some soy sauce, arrowroot flour, vegan butter, black sesame seeds, organic wildflower honey, garlic powder, black pepper, cilantro leaves as well, sriracha going for it, kosher salt, coconut oil.
Give you 1 tablespoon of that good old vegan butter. Get you some coconut oil because it's healthier for you. Get you that good old garlic gun because Vegeta always getting chipped off. Some lahayim sauce. Crack that black pepper. Throw all that chicken together and mix it. Keep mixing it. I ain't say stop. You gonna mix that shit till your hands hurt, you puss basket. Alright, now repeat it. That's a whole family piled on your plate. Now you a whole piece of shit. And now for the good old diabetes. Arrowroot flour. And get you some honey. Save the bees because they more important than you think. Some good old sriracha sauce. Some ooh yeah sauce. And squeeze you a lime. Whore. Little bitch. And get back to the whip and whip that shit up. I ain't tell you to stop whipping. Alright. Alright, so now that we're done prepping these, we're gonna put these babies in the oven and
I died and resurrected as a real nigga. It is now time for you to cook for your life.
Nah.
Start now.
No.
Pussy.
Hell no. There's a floating head in the kitchen. What the hell is going on? See, this is not in the goddamn contract. Nobody's following the contract, bro. I need to know what's going on.
Cook off. No.
Bro, I know. Shut up! I didn't come here for this shit. I didn't come here for this.
Cooking shows, cook off.
Alright, so I'm being pressured to do this and I only got a couple of minutes to do this, so I'm gonna do my best to. I'm shaking, I'm sorry. Calm down, guys. Be1 with the peanut butter, Be1 with the goddamn jelly. Shit smells nutritious and good. Don't want to shit on there. That ain't shit compared to what I have. Sushi activation rolled down. That's fucking fair. Sushi? Nigga, really? You know what? Fuck that, man. This is gonna be the best peanut butter and jelly you've ever tasted. Now I got jelly and peanut butter, but now it's going, you know what? Fuck it, we're going all in. We're going balls deep. Let's just Glob that shit on there, bro. You got this. I don't give a fuck what you talking about, nigga. Fuck your sushi. That's why that goddamn soy sauce looks like doo-doo street. I'm about to finish this shit up. I'm making holes in my shit. That's how authentic this shit is, nigga. Keep putting diabetes on this joint. Just let them know what it is, cause the peanut butter gonna talk to you, baby. Gonna talk to you, baby. You know what? I'm done.
Ooh, that presentation was looking a little sloppy.
That's how you make it. Real peanut butter, jelly sandwich. Real shit.
Hi. Now to our sponsors, the lovely niggas at Cloud. Cloud. Get you some Cloud.
Our contestants are done with their meals, and now it's time to start the judging. Let's see what the judges think. They seem very excited to try these new meals. Mr. Kitty Cat's the first one to try it. Does he like it? He loves it! Oh yeah, that's one judge down, and this contest has just begun. Now it's time for CY's floating head. Does he like it?
You win. I need to go box.
Huh, you heard it from the man himself. He thinks it's an instant winner. Things are looking up for Rex's floating head. Let's see if Patty thinks so. She loves it also. This is just a landslide victory. Maybe Rex can come back. Or maybe not. Mr. Kitty Cat is not fucking with it. That's a no from one of our judges. Ooh, he's really not fucking with it. I've never seen Mr. Kitty Cat do that before. He seems really disappointed. Now it's time for CY's floating head. Let's see what he thinks. Maybe it could be a better result. Oh.
Disgusting.
Well, you know, last judge maybe. Let's see what Patty thinks. Oh. Well, you lose some, you win some, sometimes you just lose them all. It seems this is a landslide victory for our floating head and a crushing defeat for Rex. Better luck next time on that cooking show's cook-off.
If you ain't got the sauce, then you lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce. Gucci Man 2014. Throw that in the oven for more bacon and voila! Woo! That crisp though. Garnish with some sesame seeds. Top it off with some cilantro. Yeah! Now finish squeezing off with a lime. Yeah! Look at that shit right there, bro.
Bam! Done! Check this extravagant succulent mouth water and makes me want to pleasure myself when no one's looking around. Ass wings. God damn, son. These joints are so cracked.